Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a low mileage 2015 Chevy Malibu LT, stock number X326XX. Only 31,000 miles on this one owner, summit white in color. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk, wide open, makes it easy to get things in and out, and a removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure. Not only low miles, but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 31,000 miles. With driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, 4 radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio as well as climate control. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. And a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Malibu has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 196 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a midsize sedan. EPA averages 25 miles to the gallon in the city, averages 36 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Malibu, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.